trials riding, and we're in Squamish, and I'm on this awesome Evo 200, and I just want to say thank you so much to Bob at Mountain Motorcycles for setting me up. Yeah, this bike is just so great, and it's so flowy in the trails, and I'm psyched. I love it. It's awesome. So get out here and try trials riding if you get a chance.